Hey Keto fam, today we're making Keto Rocky Road ice cream. A lot of people have hit me up recently asking about different keto ice creams they can buy in stores because I know we all get that sweet tooth. And I've told them about a lot of brands that I tried, So Delicious, Enlightened, Halo Top. Those are all great. But today we're making our own ice cream because I know a lot of the stores don't always carry the brands, and sometimes, which like now, they don't have my flavors that I like. So in times like that, it's definitely good to learn how to make your own keto ice cream. Alrighty, so that's what we're doing today, and let's just get right into it. For this Rocky Road, we're gonna need heavy cream, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, some sweetener, and almonds, and optional, I'm adding no sugar added chocolate chips.
I woke up today and said a little prayer for you. We don't speak every day, but when we do, I reminisce on back when things were cool. And sometimes I miss your laugh, and sometimes I wish that we could just go back in time and start over, and start over.
So next we're gonna do our almonds. I could only find the sliced almonds in stores, but no problem. Throwing it in here, we're just gonna blend it up. Just a side note, add in the chocolate chips and almonds after you whip it. That was my mistake, but yeah, we're just gonna continue here because I already got it in there.
Talk about the present, the future, and leave our past behind. I know you're going through some things, but I want to be the one to know you.
So our ice cream is ready. I put this in about 7:30 p.m. It's about 12:30 a.m. now, and we are going to try it now. That is delicious. Rocky Road ice cream, 10 out of 10. You guys, this is the bomb. Like, it tastes like I bought it at a store. If you want it harder, just leave it in there a little longer. I think I could have left it in there a little longer, but oh my goodness, this is so good. And I'm gonna throw it right back in the freezer, and it'll be better for tomorrow. All right, you guys, it is the next day. I let the ice cream sit in the freezer overnight, and we're just gonna see how it tastes, see what the texture is like, and I'm just gonna open it up right now.
You're going through some things, but I want to be the one to know your pain. Everything I did for you wasn't enough. I see your unrequited love is really killing me.
Even better. Go try this recipe, guys. Will not disappoint. Okay? Tag me, let me know what you guys think. Comment. Can't wait for you guys to try this ice cream. Until next time.